At a Black Max gas pressure washer. This is going to be a box opening. It's a 31 psi, 2.5 GPM. It has the onboard soap tank and 4 quick connect nozzles from 0 to 40 degree. Let's go around the box. Same thing on that side. Okay, it says here features are powerful 212cc engine, onboard soap tank, 4 quick connect nozzles, we just said that, 25-foot high pressure hose for extended reach, onboard accessory storage. Specifications. It says engine dispenser. Displacement. Specifications: engine displacement 212 cc. The PSI, pounds per square inch, is 3100. Flow rate is 2.5 GPS, that's gallons per minute. Pump axial cam. Hose length 25 feet. Wheel size 12 inch. Weight is 70 pounds. So description is gas pressure washer. And there's your BM number. It's 8544. And there's your includes: 3100 PSI gas pressure washer, 25-foot high pressure hose trigger, 25-foot high pressure hose, trigger handle, spray wand, quick connect nozzles, and soap, soap tank, handle wheels assembly, handle wheels, and it says assembly, hardware, engine lubricant, and operator's manual. That's what's on in the inside. So let's open up this box and okay, let's get started. What you find at the top is a quick reference guide. So we have a first time assembly. Looks like you have to put the wheels on it. The handle has to be placed on it. So when so this is what you see here, or what I'm seeing. So you can freeze frame that. And plus, I guess this is Spanish on the opposite side of it. So we'll just set this over here, go to the table. So you get the extended rod. What I'm going to do is just bring this over here. so you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, there we go. First thing you see is the extended rod. Set that on the table. And here's your handle. We'll have to take off the left padding pack, or the package to get these other, and the other one. It comes fully disassembled, pretty much. Here's the manual on that. As you can see right there's the manual. And there's the lubricant and some other parts. The handle must be down on the, okay. Yeah, see the handle down there and the hose. Whew, she's heavy. So I took the pressure washer out. Here's the hose. See inside. Here's the wheels. So she's fully disassembled. She's got to be assembled. And here is the handle. Move the box aside. Bring this up here where you can see it. There. Okay, this is the engine switch for on the right hand side here. It would be this one, closed. So the bottom one is the one that opens up the gas line. The top one is the choke. Over here it says the engine switch. Right here, the engine switch. Okay, that's the, and this is the soap container. Okay, that's the box opening of the Black Max gas pressure washer, 3100 PSI, 2.5 GPM, and what the next thing I'm going to do is put it together.